Hey guys, Attorney Walter Hnot. Now, as you know, today is the big driving day. I've got to go down to Fort Lauderdale, back up from Fort Lauderdale to the Cocoa area, and then all the way up to New Jersey. So, with that said, woke up late, as per the usual, because I'm super tired. I've got to get rolling, and here we go. Hey guys, Attorney Walter Hnot. So, I've been driving since yesterday, Friday, 9 a.m., all the way down to Fort Lauderdale, and back up to basically the Cocoa area, and then all the way up to New Jersey. I just arrived in New Jersey. I'm super epic tired, but you know, you only get to live once kind of gig. So I have some new gear that I'm going to be testing out when I basically go ahead and make these farm videos. Right over here is a 20-foot mega stand. So I don't know how well this is going to actually capture stuff, but as you can see, it's really, really, really tall. I know the microphone's not facing the right way. And then the other thing over here is we have our regular stand. And then basically, you know when you like buy dirt from somebody, because you know you need to like put it in places, and then what you really get is just giant boulders. I mean, like, come on, man. Anyways, so I've got another camera. It's probably gonna get eaten. I'm gonna show you exactly where it's located. You'll probably agree with me. I'm a little worried about it, but they're only like 150 bucks a piece. They used to be like $700 a piece, which is why I just could never really get into it. But on this puppy right here, right over here, on the emergency pedal, of course, on the emergency pedal, I'm hooked up to go ahead and shoot footage of me going into the mowing. So anyways, I hope all is well. I'm really tired. I'm having a hard time forming sentences. But I will catch you a little bit later. Here we go. Bye-bye, guys. Hey guys, Attorney Walter Hnot. I'm just waking up on Sunday. It was a really tough yesterday, really tough day yesterday. I was super tired. I was able to mow about 10 acres. I was lucky some of the parts of this property were mowed, but not the big stuff. Got the zero turn out there, did a ton, and I mean a ton of mowing. I've got to figure out why the right side of it isn't turning right now. It just stopped working right at the end. I did hit 2 rocks with it. One of them was where I was just creeping up looking for this rock that I knew was there. And I found it with the blades. And the other one was just some rock it kicked up, and man, it just chopped it right in half and messed up the blade. So anyways, I hope all is well. I just want to show you guys some basic photos of the farm. Absolutely gorgeous up here. Check it out. Alright guys, I'll catch you a little bit later. I hope all is well, and have fun today. I'm going to be doing work in the barn. I'm going to be doing more mowing. I'm going to be doing weed whacking, and I'm going to be working on some basic documents. Which, you know, the ironic thing is the legal stuff is super easy compared to having to do this other stuff, but at the same time, having to sit in a chair from 7 a.m. until basically like 1 or 2 with just, you know, McDonald's breaks in between, not what I call a way of living. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Have fun. Bye-bye.